We are actually having a field trip today for 40 Dickinson students to come to Utz. We've branded it affectionately as From the Field to the Shelf, and going to kind of take the students on a journey from how potatoes are ultimately harvested, what we do as a company to actually then convert them into a bag of chips that you can buy at grocery stores in the United States. A career in consumer packaged goods or any business really starts with understanding what the business does and why what it does is important, and we're hoping to give a little bit of empathy to how it all works.
It was very exciting to hop on a bus from Dickinson and come over to visit the plant today here at Hanover. I thought the integration of the technologies as well as the kind of cool softwares that were being used, getting to see that firsthand was amazing.
You can watch the shows where they give you the process of how things are made, but I had no idea so much went on. I thought it was really nice to see everybody from their different branches come out and explain what they do and how they do it and why they like it and how they've gotten to get to that area. So I thought that was really beneficial.
I think very few people knew exactly what they want to do in college. Most of us go and sort of do some exploration. We major in something that we find interesting, and then our careers generally kind of unfold. Being an alum, I think it's great for both the students and the college itself to be able to create opportunities for students to look at industry and look at places where they can go to work postgraduate.
I really appreciate this opportunity by the Burgess Institute. I think having a very strong alumni network at Dickinson College really empowers us to have this kind of unique opportunities, which would really set us apart from many other people in the industry.
It's just a great opportunity for us to helpfully educate students across the college of what a career could look like.